I got a hole notch in this that'll allow all this wood right here to flex and hang on. But there's the way the kerfs are all set up there. So we'll see if this will work. Let's hope. I might scoot you back here because this might kick down the hill a little bit.